Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a master workbook that separates transactions into journal, ledger, and trial balance sheets. Once done, set up data validation and drop-downs for account and debit/credit to prevent entry errors. Make sure date uses MM/DD/EI format and format debit and credit as currency. This ensures consistent calculations. Also add a hidden account chart sheet to standardize ledger mapping. Now enter a few sample transactions to test formulas and confirm totals move correctly between sheets. Next, you automate ledgers by pulling journal lines with sumifs or index/match so each account shows its transactions automatically. Once linked, construct a running balance column using an IF that checks for debit versus credit and then adds or subtracts. Anchor your references to keep balances intact when sorting. Make the journal a structured table and use named ranges so formulas adjust as you add rows. Also create monthly pivot-ready columns to summarize activity for reports. To finish, perform reconciliations. Match bank statements and AR/AP to ledger entries, flag any discrepancy over $1 for investigation. Then generate trial balance and financial statements with pivot tables and SumProduct summaries, and refresh all tables after posting adjustments. Once satisfied, lock closed period sheets and record adjustments with comments and an audit trail row. If numbers don't match, backtrack using filters on missing dates or accounts. Check for misclassified debits versus credits and wrong date formats first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.